everyone, I'm back with my birthday friendship challenge giveaway, and I have two packages here, number 3 and number 4, so I thought I would share it. So this one here, number 4, is from Patricia Clausen. She is actually someone who lives in my province in Alberta. It's always nice to know that there's other people interested in what we do and they live in very nearby you. It's great. So nicely wrapped. Wow. Oh, here it is. I got her. Oh, and a card. So I'll read this after. It's quite lengthy. She's Ladybug Lovlies on Facebook, YouTube, and Etsy. That's awesome, Patricia. Oh, this is beautiful. Look. I love the layering. The layering is amazing. And, oh, it's a trifold. Nice. I love the paper. And your butterfly is amazing. I like what you've done here as well. Oh, that's really pretty. And, oh my goodness, look at this. How beautiful. Well, isn't that just the cutest darn thing? Look what she's done here. She's created a little, it's almost like putting around, I forget what they're called. Yeah. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, gosh. This whole thing is so cute. I just love that. Oh, my goodness. Look at this. And she's got a really cute envelope here. And a journaling card. Yeah. Really heavy paper. I like it. That's beautiful. I love the colors you chose. And look, the beautiful pink. Whoops. Aw. Those are cute. And what is this? Let's see. So, we open it up. Oh, wow. Isn't that ever sweet? Look at that. Oh, and you did some stamping. And you cut out some birds. I love it. I just love it. It's so cute. Oh, and look at that bee. I like the bee. I like the bee a lot. And the polka dot paper. Like that too. Whoops. Really pretty. Just the colors are so pretty. And you fussy cut that. Oh my gosh. I don't have quite the patience like you do. I do fussy cut, but not very well. I like these too. Very nice. So that just folds up, and then this ties up. And that, can't remember exactly where it was, but I think it was in here somewhere. And I probably didn't tie the bow as nicely as you did. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, she's got a card. Ladybug's Lovlies. Oh, that is really cute. Oh, sorry. Sorry, I showed the back of that with your address. I'm sorry. And that is really, really cute. Oh, they're all, everything you've got in here is just so sweet. It's darling. Oh, that almost looks like velvet. I had to touch it because it did. It looked like velvet. Did you ink all this? Wow. Look at this. Oh, she stitched around this one. And then there's some paper. How cute is that? And she made a notepad. I like that. Oh, you stapled it and then added that. Oh, that's really, really clever. I like it. Like it a lot. Oh, isn't that beautiful? I just love it. Thank you so much. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. Love it. I'm just going to put this aside, kind of wrap it up again like that, and I'm going to put it back in her envelope because it's got her number on it. And the other one fell to the floor, so I'm just getting it. And this is number 4. And it came from across the pond. This came from Tina. Shabbydabbydoodah. I like the tissue paper. Like it a lot. And it smells so nice. Yeah, you're right, Tina. Yeah. Oh, I like the paper a lot. The paper is amazing. I like her journals too, and I like her digitals. Lovely. I saw her make this on her channel. Everything comes out here. And it's in one of her, I forget what this is. Is this, did you make these? Maybe not. It might be just a glassine bag. I'm not sure. But it's beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. I love this. I loved it when you made it. I saw it and it was just so sweet. And I like the way you're making your tabs as well. They're nice, Tina. It got here fast. I can't believe it. You said you were sending it, and it didn't take very long to get here. Did I look in here, or did I pulled that out of there, didn't I? Yeah, I did. See, forgetful. I am forgetful. So beautiful, Tina. Thank you. Thank you so much. I just love it. So, I don't know if there's going to be any more entries. I am waiting until the end of June because I can't wait any longer. We've just bought a house. Yes, we bought a house and we are moving. It is final. Our house is our house. And yeah, we're moving. And I'm going to have the biggest craft room I could ever want. Oh my gosh, I can't wait to get there. So, the last day, I don't have a calendar in front of me, but the end of June is cut off. So, if you have sent and it comes later, I'm so sorry. But I have to cut it off at the end of June just because I have to start tearing my craft room apart. I won't be doing any videos. I'm going to be tearing my camera down, and we've got to get this room all packed up, all torn down, so that we have a room to put all our boxes, because there's going to be so many. So that's the story. And we'll be moving, I believe, around the 14th of September. So you might get a video from me through the process. Anyways, I'll see if I can do any uploads. I don't know what the speed is going to be like. We're moving an hour and 15 minutes out of Edmonton. And so we're going to be rural. And I don't know. I'm so used to fast internet. I don't know what it's going to be like. It'll be interesting. Anyways, I'm going to sign off. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you have a healthy and blessed day. Bye now.